Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you're new. So on or about October 4th, I did a haul from Softflex Company, and I said I had this and another kit and some other items. These were two of the other items, the BCA white and BCA pink strands, which were available on the 4th, I believe, or right before that, and so was this kit. I don't know if it still is as of the time this is getting uploaded, which is the 26th of October, because that's when Softflex reveals their kit. So in my evening on the 26th. So I'm gonna open this, and let's just go ahead and take the twine off. I save these twines. Do you do that too? Because I do other crafting, and this is really cute twine. I could use it for a tassel, or to wrap other packages, or for something else. Cute. It's like a raspberry pink. All right, I'm gonna pause and come back and have this all out. Okay, I'm back everyone. So in the Softflex kit that's not part of the design elements, you get the, as part of the, I didn't tell you the name, Pink Warrior Support Squad Softflex kit, design kit. And if you made a purchase before the 26th, 10% of your purchase will go to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, just so you know. This is 49 strand 0.019 pink rhodochrosite. Really pretty color of pink beading wire. And I will definitely be using that. And then for silver plated ear wires, silver plated lobster clasp, silver plated charms, ribbon charms, some glass ribbon beads, and some winged heart charms. I'm trying to see what the asterisk is. They're silver plated too. They're cute. I like them. Then also this strand of check glass, pink faceted around 7mm. And then we have opalite check glass rounds in 6mm. I think they also were in the Spider Queen kit, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if they were the same size, maybe. And then these tiny little 3mm pink check glass pearl rounds. They're really cute. And these pink 4x5mm check glass pearl rice beads. Now, this is not Softflex's fault, but it's the way they strung, but one of mine was broken, but it's on the strand. The only reason I knew that is because a piece of it was loose in the bag when I pulled everything out. And actually I just dropped that piece on the floor, and I need to find it before my cat does. I'll do that later. Okay. So that, and then also about 20 sterling silver crimps. So that's in the Softflex package before the Jessie Jane bead mix, and then this part down here is the bead mix. There are 4 large hold silver and pink, they're double-sided awareness ribbons, and then the other large hole item are these really bright, like a fuchsia pink rhinestone. That one actually is chipped too. That's kind of disappointing, so I won't be able to use 2 of them. Yeah, I didn't notice that at first. Anyway, yeah, there's those. And then 2 pink crystal cubes, and they are about a 10mm, I want to say. And 2 rondelles that are silver with clear rhinestone. These lightweight silver metal beads. They're almost like 2 bead caps smushed together, but they're all one bead. They do have like a little seam in the middle, so maybe that's kind of how they did them. I don't know. These sort of opalite pink teardrops, faceted crystals, and they're drilled top to bottom. And then 2 of these sort of sparkle beads. I think they're glass. Yeah, they're clear with like pink through them. 4 faceted like opalite crystals, larger ones. I'd say 8 by 10 maybe. Some little 5 or 6 millimeter sparkly beads. They're like the epoxy clay one with rhinestones. 4 of these flat on one side, cute little, they're plastic flower bead caps, or bead cups I should say. That. And I don't know, about 8 or 9 or 10 of these silver bead caps. Really pretty, and I really do apologize for my nails. I did them just yesterday, but I've been crafting and they're a mess. These, I think these are glass. They sound like glass. Anyway, they're faceted large bicones. Really large. And then these epoxy rhinestone, they're like a purpley pink with a pink rhinestone in them. And I think 8 of these pale pink faceted rondelles, crystal rondelles. 4 metal flat coin spacer beads. They're sort of wavy a little bit. And 4 of these like clear flower beads. Now these I think are acrylic, but they might be glass. I'm not sure. They feel sort of acrylic-y. That's okay. They're pretty. They're like a flower. They're faceted too. And then I really need to find out what the name of these are. They're like mystical beads or something. But these aren't half color like the other ones I had in the Spider Queen, which were half clear, half purple. These are all pink. They do seem to have a hint of other color there. See, like that? Like iridescence or purple in them or something. And then the same kind of thing, only smaller. Those are like 8 millimeter, and these are about 6, but in this deep magenta pink color like that. Really pretty. And then lastly, these tiny little faceted ovals, and they're like in a, I don't know, I can't tell if it's a smoke gray or almost like a purple or a brown. Something like a smoke gray or a brown, I think. So that's what came in my Pink Warrior Support Squad kit. Yeah, it's a lovely kit. And I had gotten these 2 strands. You have to buy these separately if you want them. And I showed these on the 4th when I did the unboxing or unveiling of my little haul. This bead here is actually really, all of these are gorgeous. That's a double-sided flower. I've never seen that. It's acrylic, but you know, or plastic or something. Acrylic. But it's gorgeous, right? Let me put them over here. So yeah, if there's any available still, which I don't know, at the time this goes up, you can go to the website and see what sale they have on, if any, and get one for yourself. But you had to buy it by the 26th, which is the airing day, which I mentioned in my October 4th video too. And Softflex has obviously mentioned it as well. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will be trying to make some things. I am actually filming this early, you know, before the 26th, because I want to try and make something or some things with it. I don't know how much I'll be able to get done before the 26th, but I'll try to have a few things made, a handful, couple, maybe I'll say a couple. Soon after the 26th, I should be able to get a video up with a few projects made. But I'm also preparing for a craft fair, and I have other collabs and stuff to get ready for. Anyway, I'll see sometime soon after the 26th. All right, guys, no more excuses. Thank you for watching. Bye.